You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. I hope everybody doing fine. You see me? So people, if it's the first time watching, thank you for checking out the Chaddy More TV. Don't hesitate though. Hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're going to be the first to know. Special thanks for those who are watching on Facebook. And people, remember, leave a like on the video and please comment on the video. So people, today it's gonna be a little bit different. Me gonna call it one of Chaddy Shorts, where me just gonna show some short viral video where I go on around the place right now. Me not gonna do a bag of talking in another one, and me not gonna do playing a bag of music in another one. So people, we are gonna go in the video right now. People, if you can do maths, you please correct that brother here, or I should say correct that girl here in the comment section. Zane, watch this video.
On the money.
No.
No, I said 6,587.
650 or 6,500.
No, 6,587.
If I write in 6,500.
Yeah.
If I write 6,500, it is 6,500.
Yeah, I don't know, but I want 6,500.
That's why I asked if you want 6,000, 6,000.
I don't know what I don't know what you call it. I want 6,500.
You're not, I can't give.
No, 6,587. Where's she gone for clarification?
Alright, sir. The 65 means 6,500 or $650.
Where I come from is 6,500.
You're paying by cash?
No, I'm paying by credit card. 6,587.
You understand it?
No, a 6,587 one.
I can't understand you when you said 60.
Listen
You
up,
want
listen
65
up.
litre?
Listen, no. $6,500 what I gas.
6,500.
Yeah, 6,500.
That's 6,500 then.
You, if you're interpreted as that, then that's it. That's what you interpret it as. I want 6,587.
Saying 6,500, no 6,500.
That's what you interpreted as. Then if that's what you interpreted as, that one, I want 6,587. Right?
But you said 6,500.
What, is there a difference?
No?
Then if there is a difference.
Them understand it's 6,500.
Oh, them understand. Oh, so I can't say 6,500. I have to say 6,500. Is that so? So 65. Hold on, no, after 65, 100 is much money.
You put the money in cash.
65, $100 is much.
No 6,500?
Yeah, then what's the problem? All right then.
Boy, I don't know what to say. The brother said he want 6,587. So it come like so the girl confused. The girl I say, yo, what you really mean say you want 6,500? You want 6,500 or 650? But you see, if I was that girl, would I not punch it, you know? I know say I have to pay for it. You see me? But anyway, still, tell me what you think in the comment section below about the whole saga something there. So people, check out Dexta Daps, because I don't know where him find that girl you from. Yo, that girl I'm out.
Go. This shit can't fit.
Ma, you can do it.
Disclaimer, that was only his fist. Yo, the man fist I got in the girl mouth, so John was start why our mouth so big. But all I can say is, damn. Yo, Dexta Daps step on a roll, you know. Dexta Daps step on a roll from what day. Uno check out the next video here right now. Well on. That alone me can play. This is a PG-13 channel. But people, if you want to see the full uncut version, just check out my Instagram page or check out my Facebook. Chaddy More TV on Facebook and at I am DJ Chaddy on Instagram. Alright? So people, uno pre the voice note here.
Praise him. Praise Jesus. The word of God says, who that dwell in the secret place of the Most High shall abide in the shadow of the Almighty. And I want to thank God that I dwell in the secret place of the Most High. I've been through many things. I go through pain and ache, and because of only one man, because of Michael Whiteley, Bishop Michael Whiteley, sleep with my wife. In Jesus' name.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
No, sir. Then our kind of mix up. I go on in another church. The bishop asleep with the man wife. John was star. John know. And then hear the woman in the background.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
No, sir. Them need to know what them do. Them can't ramp with God them way there. Anyhow, people, wanna watch this next video and me I beg God, do. Keep them youth safe because them are go until one day something seriously happen to them.
What's your beef water?
110, 130.
110.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
This is not foreign. Jamaica no run like foreign. When foreign we kinda accept certain behavior like that, me I telling you the pranking thing, it nah go work at Jamaica like that, yo. Then we kill another day. Wanna go easy. If we do it still, we wanna make a name for social media and them thing there. You see me? So wanna big up on yourself and that's something there. People you can go and go follow them. Them name I Art Money. So people, wanna check out that video here right now.
Yo, brother, I'm buy mother the biggest money they give, you know. Yeah, man, come know she more than deserve it. Cause she always buy me anything I want. She come all of my game name. She make me safe and secure and love. She always hug me. And she never, ever beat me. Same to your mother raised it, huh?
Yeah, same to my mother.
Moms, eh?
Mr. Stop your crying. Which one you want beaten with? Alright, break up.
Mommy can get the $20 what Uncle sent for me.
Ungrateful little boy. After I carry for 9 months. You gonna ask me for $20? You come like your worthless pooper. Come out of my face. 9 months I carry you. 9 months.
Mama, can stop a taste this?
Little boy, food there in the yard. You coming like you're ready, pooper. Everything you see you want.
But I just get cause I want alone there.
Well, that you gonna eat. And that you gonna eat. Hey, little boy, come back in the yard.
But mommy, daddy said we can't play football.
I said come back in the yard. Little boy, I said come into me. Little boy, I said, what you gonna need? I said, I need you. Come here. Come, little boy.
Right? Mother,
Yeah, mothers are the best. You know, I tell you, see some of my mothers still.
People wanna let me know in the comment section who can relate to this video, cause believe me, this video is very relatable. And at the same way, me get them treatment there sometime. Moment, me love you all, hope you now watch this. Anyway, next video. This is how Jamaican act when them go China.
Baba pretty. Ah, yeah, good. Yeah, down. They come to Jamaica from work with little and not. When they are China, you have to work them. Don't we, mother? Definitely. Yeah. Baba good. Yo, Baba pretty. Mama, you take it. Yeah, Baba good. Mama. No, Baba good. You take it. No, it's good. Baba good. You don't understand.
I swear, if Jamaica na sample one more time. Yo, there's never a dull moment in Jamaica. So people, guess what? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, thanks for watching. I really appreciated you taking the time out and click this video and I watch. Wow, go on, isn't me? And people, do remember, if you want to do any promotion on the channel, you can always hit me up on Instagram, or you can send me an email at chaddymurraytv@gmail.com. So that's chaddymurraytv@gmail.com. So people, you know, see other time there again. I'm out.
Oh, Jesus Christ.